Hi, now we are going to study about a new method which is method of separation of variables. A question is given. We have to solve this equation by using method of separation of variables. On solving, we get the value of u. Here, our given equation is dou u by dou x minus 2 dou u by dou t minus u equal to 0. Put it as equation number 1. By solving, we get the value of u. Here, u is a function. Here, u is a function of x and t. The solution is of the form u equal to x of x into t of t. Here, capital X is a function of small x alone and capital T is a function of small t alone. Simply we have to write as u equal to capital Xt. Now, dou u by dou x is x dash t and dou u by dou t is x t dash. Now, equation 1 becomes dou u by dou x is x dash t minus 2 dou u by dou t is x t dash minus x t equal to 0. Now we have to write this equation as x dash t equal to 2x t dash plus xt. From here, x can be taken outside, x into 2t dash plus t, which is x dash t. Now we have to write x and x dash in one side and t and t dash in other side. So we get x dash by x equal to 2t dash plus t by t. These two are equal. We have to say that these two are equal to k. Then take x dash by x equal to k. X dash by x equal to k. Integrating both sides, integrate x dash by x dx equal to integral k dx. Integral of x dash by x dx is log x, log capital X equal to integral of k dx is kx plus a constant must be there. We put it as log c1. We take constant as log c1. Then log x minus log c1 equal to kx. That is log a minus log b is log a by b. Log x by c1 equal to kx. Now log x by c1 equal to, we have to write this kx as log e raised to kx. Log e raised to kx. By cancelling log on both sides, we get x by c1 equal to e raised to kx. Now, capital X is c1 e raised to kx. We get capital X as c1 e raised to kx. Now we take 2t dash plus t by t equal to k. T dash plus t by t equal to k. Now 2t dash by t plus t by t equal to k. This t by t is 1. Therefore, 2t dash by t equal to k minus 1. This t by t is 1. This 1 can be taken to the right side. Then it will be k minus 1. Then t dash by t equal to k minus 1 by 2. By integrating both sides, we get log t equal to, by integrating both sides, we get log t equal to Here integral of k minus 1 by 2 with respect to t is k minus 1 by 2 into t plus a constant must be there. We take that constant as log C2. Then log t minus log C2 equal to log t minus log C2 equal to k minus 1 by 2 into t. Log a minus log b is log a by b. That is log t by C2 equal to k minus 1 by 2 into t. Here this k minus 1 by 2 into t can be written as here log t by C2 equal to log e raised to k minus 1 by 2 into t. Now these two log will be get cancelled. We get t by C2 equal to e raised to k minus 1 by 2 into t. Therefore capital T equal to C2 e raised to k minus 1 by 2 into t. Here we get the value of x and t. What about u? U equal to xt, which is the solution of the given equation. Now the solution of the given equation can be written as u equal to xt. U equal to, here x is c1 e raised to kx. T is c2 e raised to k minus 1 by 2 t. Now we have to write this as u equal to c1 c2 e raised to a into e raised to b is e raised to a plus b. Now e raised to kx plus k minus 1 by 2 into t. We get the solution, but a condition is given. Therefore, we have to find the values of C1, C2 and condition k. Applying the condition, put it as equation number 2. Our condition is u of x comma 0 equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x, which means when applying t equal to 0 in u, we get u as 6 e raised to minus 3x. Therefore, by putting t equal to 0, we get u equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x. Now, equation 2 becomes, we are putting t as 0. Therefore, u equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x. 6 e raised to minus 3x equal to c1, c2 e raised to kx. This t as 0. Therefore, e raised to kx. By comparing these two, we get by comparing these two, we get c1, c2 equal to 6. c1, c2 is a constant. Here 6. Then by comparing k equal to minus 3. K equal to minus 3. Therefore, the solution becomes, solution is, that is equation 2 becomes u equal to c1, c2 is 6. E raised to k is minus 3. Minus 3x plus minus 3 minus 1 by 2 into t. We get u equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x plus minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 by 2 minus 2 minus 2t. Here we get the solution as u equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x minus 2t. Okay, thank you.